Welcome back to Torque Talk, the channel where engines roar, metal meets might, and innovation rolls on tracks and tires. If you're passionate about vehicles that define performance and power, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of military engineering to explore the mighty 2025 Challenger 2, a tank that continues to uphold Britain's armored legacy while embracing the future of warfare. The Challenger 2 has long been a symbol of British heavy armor strength, a formidable force in NATO and a tank that's earned its reputation through battle-hardened resilience. But the 2025 iteration isn't just a facelift. It's a comprehensive modernization that transforms this steel beast into one of the most advanced main battle tanks on the planet. So let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Challenger 2 such a game-changer. At first glance, the Challenger 2 looks familiar, its boxy silhouette and heavily armored turret are still recognizable. But beneath that rugged exterior, there's a revolution underway. Officially known in its upgraded form as the Challenger 3 prototype for some military circles, the 2025 Challenger 2 marks the pinnacle of the British Army's modernization project under the Land Industrial Strategy. The tank is equipped with a brand new 120mm smoothbore main gun. This replaces the older rifled L30A1 cannon and aligns the Challenger with NATO standards. This isn't just a logistical update. It brings a significant leap in lethality and compatibility, allowing the tank to use the latest high-performance kinetic energy rounds and programmable ammunition that are in use across Allied forces. But a gun is only as good as the systems that support it. The fire control system has received a dramatic overhaul. The 2025 Challenger 2 comes equipped with cutting-edge thermal imaging and digital targeting technology. This allows the gunner and commander to identify, track, and engage targets faster and more accurately, even in total darkness or through thick smoke. Another major upgrade is the new turret design. Not only is it stronger and more resistant to modern anti-tank threats, but it's also modular. That means it can be upgraded more easily in the future as technology evolves, giving the Challenger 2 a longer lifespan and more adaptability than ever before. Inside the turret, the layout has been optimized for efficiency and comfort, reducing crew fatigue and enhancing operational effectiveness. The digital interfaces are intuitive, the ergonomics are much improved, and the level of situational awareness provided to the crew is simply on another level compared to previous versions. Now let's talk about mobility. The 2025 Challenger 2 gets a refined powertrain system. While it still uses a Perkins CV12 diesel engine, it has been upgraded for improved performance and reliability. It pushes around 1,200 horsepower, allowing this nearly 70-ton beast to move with surprising agility for its size. Suspension enhancements also mean that the Challenger 2 can traverse rough terrain more smoothly, increasing its speed and maneuverability in combat zones. In modern warfare, speed and adaptability can be the difference between victory and vulnerability. The new Challenger embraces this reality with open arms, or rather, armored treads. Protection, of course, remains one of the Challenger's strongest suits. The 2025 version retains the legendary Dorchester armor, which is still considered among the best passive armors in the world. But it's now enhanced with additional layers and reactive armor modules that are designed to defeat modern threats like tandem charge warheads and top-attack missiles. To further protect the crew, the tank is integrated with active protection systems, both soft kill and hard kill. Soft kill systems use electronic jamming and smoke grenades to confuse incoming missiles, while hard kill systems actively intercept and destroy projectiles before they strike. This kind of layered defense is crucial in a battlefield increasingly dominated by precision-guided munitions and drone-delivered payloads. Speaking of drones, the 2025 Challenger 2 is built to operate in the digital battlespace. It features enhanced connectivity and battlefield networking capabilities. That means real-time data sharing with friendly units, remote coordination with unmanned systems, and integration into broader command and control frameworks. In essence, this tank isn't just a solo brawler anymore, it's a node in a digital warfighting web. Crew survivability is further enhanced by internal systems that detect and respond to threats automatically. The tank can shut down compromised components, seal off sections to prevent fire spread, and provide real-time health status updates to commanders. Another area where the 2025 Challenger 2 stands out is sustainability. Maintenance systems have been digitized and simplified. Predictive diagnostics alert operators to component wear before failures occur. This reduces downtime, increases operational readiness, and cuts long-term costs. For a tank that could see deployment in harsh environments for extended periods, this is a major advantage. The UK Ministry of Defence has stated its goal is to ensure the British Army maintains a credible heavy armour capability well into the 2040s. The Challenger 2 upgrade is a central pillar of that vision. In total, the plan is to upgrade around 148 Challenger 2 tanks into this new configuration, ensuring they remain battle-ready for decades to come. And let's not forget crew comfort. Yes, even in a battle tank, that matters. The new Challenger 2 features better seating, improved air conditioning, and better insulation against noise and vibration. These changes may seem minor, but in high-stress environments and long missions, they can significantly improve crew performance and endurance. Now, how does the 2025 Challenger 2 compare to other modern tanks? When you line it up against tanks like the American M1A2 Abrams SEPV4, the German Leopard 2A8, and the Russian T-14 Armata, the Challenger 2 holds its own firmly. The firepower is now standardized with NATO, the armor is among the best, and the new digital integration gives it capabilities that rival or surpass many of its peers. The Abrams still has the edge in raw engine power, and the Leopard is known for its exceptional optics and targeting. But the Challenger 2's survivability, especially against top attack threats, and its modular turret design give it a unique edge. Moreover, its emphasis on crew safety and system integration marks a shift toward future-proofing the platform rather than chasing raw numbers. So, what kind of roles will this new Challenger 2 be playing? While traditional tank-on-tank battles are rare, armored units still play a vital role in modern combined arms warfare. The 2025 Challenger 2 will support infantry operations, secure strategic points, provide shock force in breakthrough operations, and act as a mobile fortress in asymmetric warfare scenarios. Its upgraded sensors also allow it to serve a valuable reconnaissance function, identifying threats and transmitting battlefield data back to command. Let's also talk a bit about how this tank fits into the UK's broader defence strategy. The modernization of the Challenger 2 is part of a larger push to reassert British influence on the global stage, particularly as geopolitical tensions continue to rise across Europe and Asia. With the war in Ukraine underscoring the importance of heavy armor in contested zones, NATO members have doubled down on tank modernization. The Challenger 2 is Britain's answer to that call. By upgrading existing platforms instead of building entirely new ones from scratch, the UK has saved costs while still achieving a major leap forward in combat capability. It also sends a message that British industry is still capable of delivering cutting-edge defence technology, and that the UK remains a key player in NATO's land-based deterrence strategy. The tank was designed and upgraded in partnership with Rheinmetall Base Systems Land, a joint venture that brings together British legacy and German engineering expertise. This collaboration ensures the Challenger 2 benefits from some of the most advanced design philosophies and manufacturing capabilities available today. Looking at the bigger picture, the 2025 Challenger 2 isn't just a tank. It's a representation of how old and new can coexist effectively. It preserves the battlefield-proven fundamentals of the original Challenger platform while integrating technologies that will define armored warfare in the coming decades. And perhaps more importantly, it shows a commitment to the people inside it. Every upgrade, every design tweak, and every feature is ultimately about giving the crew a better chance at surviving and succeeding in the toughest environments on Earth. So whether you're a military enthusiast, a defense analyst, or just someone who admires the raw power and engineering brilliance of modern machines, the 2025 Challenger 2 deserves your attention. It's a tank that respects its legacy while preparing for the battlefield of tomorrow. That's it for today's in-depth look at the 2025 Challenger 2. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more deep dives into the world of powerful vehicles, whether they run on treads, wheels, or wings, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Torque Talk, and leave a comment below on what machine you'd like us to explore next.